I bought and tested these LED bathroom mirrors so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Mirrors are more than just a reflection. They can change your bathroom experience entirely. Let's dive into the top 5 options that will transform your space into a sleek, modern oasis. Product number 1. Lowow LED Bathroom Mirror. The Lowow 24x32 LED bathroom mirror has been a game changer in my daily routine. I remember the first time I used it after a shower. No more foggy glass. This mirror features both backlit and frontlit options, which means I can get the perfect lighting whether I'm doing my makeup or just checking my look before heading out. The dimmable feature is another highlight. It's as simple as long pressing the touch switch to adjust the brightness to my liking. I often switch between warm light for a cozy vibe and bright white light when I need to see every detail. The memory function is a lifesaver. It remembers my last brightness setting, so I don't have to fiddle with it every morning. Installation was a breeze too. I went with the hardwired option for a clean look, but it also comes with an easy plug-in method if you prefer. The tempered glass is shatterproof, which gives me peace of mind knowing it's safe, especially in a busy bathroom. One downside I've noticed is that the anti-fog feature is more effective in the center and less so at the edges, but for the price, it's hard to complain. Overall, the Lowow LED bathroom mirror combines functionality with style. I would recommend it to anyone looking to elevate their bathroom experience while keeping things budget-friendly.
Product number 3. Van Pocken's Gradient LED Mirror. The Van Pocken's 24x32-inch gradient front and backlit LED mirror has taken my bathroom experience to a whole new level. The gradient lighting feature is something I didn't know I needed until I tried it. It transitions smoothly from warm to cool light, creating a beautiful atmosphere that makes getting ready feel luxurious. I love the fact that it has 3 color temperatures, allowing me to customize the lighting depending on my mood or the time of day. The enhanced anti-fog feature is fantastic. I can hop out of the shower and immediately see my reflection without any hassle. Installation was straightforward thanks to the included hanging pleats. I opted for the hardwired installation for a sleek look, but the option to plug it in is a nice touch. The only minor issue I encountered was that the mirror's sensitivity to the anti-fog function could vary, but it still performs better than most mirrors I've used. The Van Pocken's mirror combines modern design with practical features, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their bathroom.
Product number 4. Rolov LED Vanity Mirror. The Rolov 32x22-inch large lighted vanity mirror has been a delightful addition to my space. Right from the get-go, the professional lighting setup made me feel like I was in a beauty studio. The touch-sensitive controls allow for 3 different color temperatures, which is great for achieving that perfect makeup look. I particularly appreciate the stepless dimming feature, providing a range of brightness that suits every occasion. The viewing area is larger than many standard mirrors, which I find helpful when I'm trying to get dressed and do my hair in one shot. The ultra-clear glass provides a distortion-free reflection, and the LED light diffusion technology means my eyes don't strain even after long usage. Plus, the durability of this mirror is impressive. It has survived my frequent moves without a scratch. The only downside? It doesn't come with a hardwired option, but the detachable base for desktop use makes it versatile. If you're looking for a mirror that doubles as a statement piece while providing functionality, the Rolov mirror is an excellent choice.
Product number 5. Misgerm LED Bathroom Mirror. We have the Misgerm 32x24 LED bathroom mirror, which is a fantastic value for the features it offers. Right off the bat, the double lighting sources provide an impressive brightness that makes my bathroom feel welcoming. The 3 color temperature options mean I can easily switch from a relaxing warm light to a bright natural light, depending on what I'm doing. The anti-fog feature is a major plus. It works quickly and effectively, keeping my reflection clear right after my showers. Installation was a breeze, and I appreciated the option to hang it either vertically or horizontally. The tempered glass is durable and gives me confidence that I won't have to replace it anytime soon. The only downside I noticed is the mirror could be considered on the heavier side, so ensure your wall can support it.
Overall, the Miskerm LED bathroom mirror is an affordable option with great functionality and style. If you want a mirror that doesn't break the bank but still offers quality, this one is definitely worth considering. So there you have it, my top 5 LED bathroom mirrors that combine style, functionality, and value. Whether you're looking for something high-end or budget-friendly, each of these mirrors has unique features to fit your needs. Make your bathroom a place you love spending time in.